Hi, I'm Daniel, and I'm the co-inventor of the Skunk Lock. We're going to show you some of the strategies that thieves use to steal your bike. And today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is with one of these. So one of the strongest and most popular kinds of locks is a U-lock. Is this your bike?
Yeah.
Great. So, as you can see, although this is a very strong lock, it's no match for an angle grinder. It still only takes a few seconds, as you can see. Here you go.
I'm calling my boyfriend Chad right now. He's gonna be so sorry. He's very buff. Damn it.
Now this bike's just locked with a cable lock. As it turns out, this only takes a couple seconds with a pair of wire cutters. It's just that easy.
Hey, stop! You guys stealing my bike!
And sometimes, thieves even use disguises, like this one. So now that you've seen a couple of the ways that thieves steal bikes, you're probably wondering, how do we recommend that you lock your bike? Well, let me show you. What you want to do is lock it through the back wheel and the frame. Just like that. It's that easy. And now you know all the different ways that thieves can steal your bikes. Happy riding!
We are Turn 1, a Danish company dedicated to reinventing the bicycle lock. We have developed a unique multi-purpose lock that not only keeps your bike safe and secure, but also makes it easier to park, store, and transport. Our passion is green, sustainable transportation, and our goal is to develop innovative ideas that make life easier for cyclists worldwide. We are proud to introduce the multi-purpose bicycle lock, N-Lock. N-Lock is a patented stem lock. When locking your bike, simply turn to park position and remove the key. The handlebar is now completely detached from the front wheel, making the bike impossible to ride. With the optional cable solution, you can add safety. The cable is locked directly to the N-Lock, easy and simple. You can even get the cable integrated in the optional handlebar. The rotating handlebar makes parking in the city easier. The lock is located in the perfect height, so you no longer have to bend down when locking your bike. N-Lock saves you 40% space when turning the handlebar, making carrying and storing your bike in limited spaces easier and more comfortable than ever. N-Lock is made from the best materials available, securing strength and durability at all times. N-Lock also makes transporting your bike much easier, both for commuting and leisure. And you avoid the risk of scratching your car, caravan, or bike during transportation. Installing the N-Lock takes less than 5 minutes and can be done by everyone on all bikes. You can even reuse your own handlebar. Our production is ready, and all we need is your help to start shipping the N-Lock. Back us today and help revolutionize the bicycle lock. We believe it's time to get your bike N-Locked.